Hey guys, what's up? Hopefully you liked the previous episode where we mounted the mud flaps on the 159. But if you watched that episode, you might have seen that my brake disc and pads have seen better days. So those in this episode we're gonna replace the Brembo brake discs, but yeah, we're not gonna replace them with standard discs, but we're gonna replace them with these perforated Brembo Xtra brake discs. Already replaced them at the right side, and now we're going to replace them on the left side. Yeah, the cool thing with these perforated Xtra brake discs are that not only do they look really cool, but they also disperse water really good, and they have a better cooling factor. So yeah, that will help with braking. And in my opinion, they just look really cool. Unfortunately, Brembo doesn't make these for the rear axle, so Brembo, if you're watching, please make them for the rear axle as well, because they're really cool. But yeah, let's install these brake discs. brakes have been installed at the front, and now I'm easing them in, but already I can feel a big difference. There's just a lot more confidence in the braking and a lot of more comfort, and that is even without doing the rear axle and without getting the system flushed. That is something that I will probably do in 2 months. Same with the front. We've been working from home lately, so we haven't driven too much, so there wasn't a big need to do the brakes. But the front brakes were in discount, so I thought let's just get them already. It saved me 50% off of the price, so yeah, right now they are already installed, and I'll probably install the rear ones in 2 months, and then do a complete flush, and then the brakes are good to go for a lot of a lot of miles. So yeah, they feel really good. I have to ease them in the first miles, but they're not squealing, and the pedal is firm, and it feels confident and comfortable. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I think they look really cool. So yeah, the perforated disc just looks a lot more sporty in my opinion, and really now together with the mud flaps look really cool. Also, I have an update on the interior. We finally have all interior trim pieces complete, so we can finally swap out the entire dark gray interior with the black and carbon trim pieces. So that is really cool. One item was on order for was on order for roughly a year. So. But yeah, with patience it finally arrives, so really happy with that, and we now can swap it. I will be doing that next weekend, so expect a video of that coming really soon. So yeah,